So, alright, now we're gonna do the Terraform Lab from the level 1 series. Today will be day 2. Here the title is Create Security Group using Terraform. So now I'm gonna click Start button and go to draw.com to give the description of the given instruction for my video. Great, so here we're gonna wait a few seconds. I think if you have enough knowledge in terms of the AWS, you can do this lab, Terraform Lab. Okay, so here the same paragraph again. I don't want to read that, but I will read it again. That's fine. So as usual, let me copy this given instruction first, and then we're gonna do step by step. Okay, great. Here then, Nautilus step of 10 is strategizing the migration of a portion of the infrastructure to the AWS cloud. Here, recognizing the scale of this undertaking, they have opted to approach the migration in incremental steps rather than as a single massive transaction. To achieve this, they have segmented large tasks into smaller, more manageable units. This granular approach enables the team to execute the migration in gradual paces, ensuring smoother implementation and minimizing disruption to ongoing operations. By breaking down the migration into smaller tasks, the Nautilus step of 10 can systematically progress through each day, allowing for better control, risk mitigation, and optimization of resources throughout the migration process. Okay, that's the same paragraph like the previous lab. So the key points, we have to use Terraform IAC tool to create a security group under the default VPC. That would be AWS VPC with the following requirements. So basically we have 4 requirements. Here the security group name is datacenter-sg, and we have to mention this exact description test string. And then we have to add the environment. Environment type is for HTTP request with a port range of 80, and source CIDR range is this 0.0.0.0/0. And even more than that, we have to add another environment. This time it is for SSH with a port range of 22, but CIDR range is the same. And finally, we have to make sure that security group is created in the US-East-1 region using Terraform. The Terraform working directory is this, so we need to go this directory. Finally, we have to create the main.tf file. Okay, so to accomplish this step, let me go to the Terraform home directory. Home directory is this. Okay, cd let me make it like this. cd. Okay, so now we are in the home directory, Terraform working directory. So I'm gonna create this main.tf file using touch main.tf ls. Okay, so in the provider list, your provider list is we applying the AWS right here, provider AWS, only AWS, right? Okay, so now I will write some codes within this main.tf file. Here we have to create a security group under the default VPC. So let me find. I will copy this. I will copy this. Okay. How to create using Terraform. Okay. So we have to use AWS provider, and then we have to fetch the default VPC ID dynamically. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. So here provider region is, let me give the correct region name. Okay, so I will copy this and let me paste right here. I don't need comments. That's a little bit complicated. So we will define the AWS provider. So your region name is US-East. Here, where is the region? US-East-1 region. That's correct. Now I'm gonna fetch the default VPC ID. Here I will copy this. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Now we're gonna create a security group. So I will create the security group. I think I can copy all of these things. Here, I don't comment this, a little bit complicated. Okay, anyway, let it be. So we create a custom security group under the default VPC. So default VPC name is, we have to give the correct name, that is datacenter-sg. So here I need to remove this. I don't need this. Here you can also get you can get any name for the resource name, but let me make it same name. For the description, we have to get the correct description sentence. I will copy it and I will replace right here. I don't need this. For the VPC reference ID, I'm gonna extract from the data here. Data dot, we're gonna get this VPC ID. So we extract this AWS VPC with the default ID. So AWS underscore VPC extract default dot ID. So we get the VPC ID. So let me add the inbound rule is for the HTTP first. So here I'm gonna write that for the HTTP. So here we add the inbound rule. Here we have to use ingress. That is allowed for HTTP. For the description, you can write any description. It is not mentioned about to write that description accurately in the given instruction. Port number is 80. That's correct. To port is also destination port is also 80. Protocol type is TCP. CIDR range is, we have to get this public CIDR range. Allowed from anywhere. And here we have to add the inbound rule for the SSH. Okay, this time port number is 22, TCP the same, CIDR blocks range is also the same. Now for the outbound rules, we're gonna allow all traffic. So this time we have to use egress. Description is allow all outbound traffic from port. Okay, from port 0 to port 0. 0 to port 0, that's fine. Protocol is minor ones. That allows all protocols. Okay. So here also we will give the CIDR blocks range is the to allow from anywhere. Okay, so for the specific tag name is, I will give this name. datacenter-sg. datacenter-sg. Okay, so I think everything is correct right now. Now we can start the Terraform. So TERA Terraform init. Oh, I have some error. Duplicate error, line number 10. Line number 10 is AWS VPC provider.tf. Okay, I got it. Okay, so provider here region is already mentioned. So here we don't need to write this. Okay. So here I don't need number. I will remove this number. Okay. Okay. So I will init again. Yeah. So we successfully ended the Terraform, and now we're gonna do some, to make it clear, let me do some Terraform format. No, Terraform, there's a Terraform. F-O-R-M form. Okay, so everything is pretty okay. So I'm gonna do the validation process. Terraform validate. Okay. Okay, so here we get the success response. The configuration is valid. Alright, so now we can do plan, Terraform plan. Okay. Okay, so here also all successful plan, and then now I can do the apply, Terraform apply. So here I will add the auto approve argument, approv. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so all complete resource here, one added and 0 change and 0 destroyed. Alright, so finally you can check that Terraform FOIM form state list. Alliance state list. So you will see that here AWS Security Group name with that datacenter-sg. So I think we finished right here. We can check it out and click confirm. Yeah, that's it. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. Like I said before, if you have the some knowledge about the AWS, you can do this like easily. So I'm gonna start right here, no issue phase, submit. So thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video.